Hello and welcome back to Strathpeffer Junction. You're joining us today for a video that I've been wanting to put out for quite some time, but due to computer failure and a few other bits and pieces, footage was lost and all the rest. It's been delayed, but here we are anyway with the 500 subscribers giveaway. But because of delays, we're actually now staggeringly on the 700 subscribers giveaway. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to have a quick look at the prizes. We're going to have a look at the terms of the competition, how you can get involved, and how long you've got to get involved as well. So firstly, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you guys and girls. This channel isn't anything without subscribers and people watching it and engaging with the content. And I just want to say a big thank you to everybody out there who's watched my my various films and videos and tutorials, who's chipped in the comments section, who's added extra suggestions as well if I've missed something or something's not been clear, or has just interacted and had a good chat about railway modelling. Anyway, this is my way of saying thanks very much. You're the guys that keep me going forward with this, and I wanted to give a wee bit back as well, just with a few prizes. So anyway, let's jump into it. Let's see what's on offer. Okay, well, I know there's been a few recent giveaways that have given away locomotives and various things, which is absolutely fabulous. Unfortunately, I don't have a locomotive to give away, but hopefully there's a few prizes here which people will be interested in and want to get their hands on in any case. I'll start at the back here. We've got a Metcalfe Mainline station kit. It's the one in stone. Now, I got this from a local model shop. It had been opened actually by the guy in the shop, but it hasn't been used, I can assure you that. I was originally going to use this for the Strathpeffer Junction station, but I'm going to scratch build something now myself. So this is up for grabs. It's a fabulous kit, really looks the part, comes with a canopy, a section of platform as well, really lovely one. We also have the Rail Rovers Scotland in the 70s and 80s book by Arnie Furness. This is a fabulous book. I've got a copy myself already. It's got some brilliant photographs of diesel in this era and some lovely sort of words to go with it as well, explaining the guy's interest in diesels and what he saw. So it's a really lovely one with some really breathtaking photographs as well. So this is up for grabs. We have Scale Model Scenery. Now, they're one of my favourite online sort of model suppliers actually in terms of kit models. Firstly, their ethos and just the way they approach business is brilliant. I really love them. They're lovely folks to deal with, but also the quality of what they do is brilliant. They'll bend over backwards if there's something that you've got an issue with, or whether or not you want a custom kit or something. If you speak to them, they'll do it. I paid for this voucher. They've not given it to me, so I'm not paid to say that about them, but I've just always found them brilliant. So it's a £10 voucher to spend on their website, and I'll email that to whoever the winner is. But it's not got a time limit on, so whenever you want to use it. We also have the pens here, Strathpeffer Junction pens. And what I'm going to do is, with the pen, I'm also going to give away a Strathpeffer Junction fridge magnet as well. In fact, there'll be a fridge magnet that goes with every prize. And then the pièce de résistance, my Strathpeffer Junction mugs. I designed these myself using the logo and my favourite locomotive. There'll be 2 of these to give away, just like there'll be 2 pens and then 1 each of the kit, the gift voucher and the book as well. And as I say, everything will come with a fridge magnet as well. Okay, so we've run over the prizes, and I will put up a list at the end of the video just to summarise those all again, just so we can avoid any doubt whatsoever of what's up for grabs. But who can enter? Well, anybody can enter, anybody at all. Anybody in the UK and anybody further afield. I do like to try to keep these competitions open to people from out with the UK if I can, but the one proviso in that is it does cost quite a lot to post. So what I'm going to say is I'll post 1 prize abroad from the UK. So if there's somebody who wins from outside of the UK, I'll post it to you. But if there's another winner drawn, then I'll have to put their name back into the hat and go for someone from the UK, because I just can't afford to post lots of things internationally if that's the way it comes out. So we'll have one international prize winner, and then everybody else will be from the UK. But I'll not limit it to any prize. So it could be any prize that comes out. Okay, so it's open to anybody. The next thing is you have to be a subscriber of my channel. So if you're not already a subscriber, please press the subscribe button just now. And also, I've got two other things as well just to mix it up a bit and make it a little bit different. I also have a Facebook page which not everybody will be aware of, so if you could head over to that, that's facebook.com/Strathpeffer Junction. If you can head over to that and like it, that would be fabulous. And the third thing as well is let me know what locomotive is on the mug here. So we've got the Strathpeffer Junction logo on one side, on the other side we've got a locomotive, and it's my favourite locomotive. So if you could let me know what that is as well. So the way to enter is pop a comment below saying that you've liked the Facebook page, you've subscribed to the YouTube channel, and tell me what locomotive is on the mug. And I'll put up a photo of the mug just at the end of this video so you can have a good look at it, but it's not that hard. Grand, so we've talked about who can apply and we've gone over the prizes. So how long have you got to apply? Well, we're pretty much at the end of April, so what I'm going to say is 2 weeks from today. So I think today's the 29th of April. So anyway, 2 weeks from today, which will take us to the 14th of April. So as long as you have commented below with your kind of 3 actions, liking, subscribing, and telling me what the logo is on the mug, as long as you've done that by the end of the 14th, that's what I said, the 14th of May, then that's great. And then what I'll do is I'll put together either a video, or if I can get it working, maybe a live session within the next week after that to announce who the winners are. Okay, so that's it. I'm not going to waffle on any longer. This will probably end up being the shortest video that I've ever done. I'll pop a wee bit on the screen again just to confirm what the different prizes are, and also to confirm who can apply, what you've got to do to apply, and when you've got to apply by. The one thing that I didn't mention is if I am sending these prizes abroad, I'll pay for all the postage, that's fine. But if there happen to be import duties, I don't think there will be, but if there happen to be, then that's up to whoever's wanting to pay that. But really, I can't see that there'd be very much of anything at all. So anyway, I'll shut up now. I'll pop some details on the screen, and all that remains for me to say is thanks very much for watching, very best of luck in the competition, and cheerio for now. Bye bye.